Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I can use this coordinated grid line drawings in previous videos. Have a look at that one. How I can use these coordinated grid lines to coordinate any of my drawings. So today I will use these foundation drawings with pile caps, core caps, and align these drawings so I can use it effectively and extract information that I need to set out. So let's open our CAD version of this foundation drawing right there. Okay, so I downloaded this drawing and this drawing is not coordinated, and how I can use my coordinated grid lines to coordinate these drawings. Okay, let's copy, because we know this grid line is in the right position where it's supposed to be. Let's copy all of this and we bring it to our foundation drawing. So I'm gonna go there, clipboard, paste to original coordinates, because that's where the right position of that grid line will be. So I'll paste to original coordinates and we'll zoom, extend, see where it lands. So you can see there is our grid lines in right position, and there is our foundation uh, drawing there. So let's bring it closer to our grid line there. Okay, and you can see the difference in the size, because this is the right uh, size of the grid line. We can measure from there to one grid line to the next. EE1 to EE2 is 1.955 meters. But if we check the distance, same distance, we got E3, E2, 1. Okay, let's see. We can do something. Let's do E2, 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Okay, let's see how much is this one. This one is 5325. 5325. Okay, let's check on our foundation drawing 3 and 4. You can clearly see it's 5325. So what that means is our drawing is 1000 times bigger. This distance, it was 5.325, and over here is 5325. So first of all, let's scale this drawing 1000 times smaller. So we don't want to scale this our grid line because this is in perfect scale and perfect position. So we'll exclude that when we select our objects. So right there, okay, we select all of that and we scale it to 1000 times smaller. So it will ask you for your base point. Just base point is just select roughly anywhere closer to our grid line right there. And to scale it 1000 times smaller, we put our scale factor as 0.001. If you were to make it 1000 times bigger, you'd be using 1000 times bigger. Since we want to make it 1000 times smaller, go 0.001. Okay, right there. Okay. Oh, what is it? You can see all these dimensions which are annotated. They did not change in size. It's only the object that was underneath has scaled down, but not the dimensions. So what we can do is we can select all of these dimensions, select similar, and we can delete them. And right there, we can see our object right there. So let's bring it a little bit closer for convenient. And all right, so how we can align this drawing to its correct position? The simpler way is select these objects, go align, command right there, and specify first source point. So our first source point would be one of these points, intersection points. Let's choose EE3 and E2S. So that's our first source point right there, and it's going to ask you for your destination point. So our destination point is the correct position. So let's go to E2H and EE3 of our correct position, which is E2H and EE3. E2H, EE3. Okay, E2H is there, and our EE3 is there, right there. So that will be our destination point. I'll click there. Now it's going to ask you for the second source point. Our second source point, let's use this one, E1F and E19. Okay, that's a source point, and destination point E19 and E1F. So that will be E19 is there and E1F is there. So we select that. That's our destination point. Okay. So it's going to ask you now for the third one, like the previous video where we aligned our grid line coordinates, but we don't need the third one. We just press enter. You want to scale it based on your selection? Yes, I do. Yes. So let me zoom out. Okay, so our drawing has now been moved to its correct position because our grid line was in correct position. So this is how you coordinate your existing drawings by using your grid lines. So it's very easy to do this. So you can do this for any floor, roof, ground floor, first floor. So this way you have your drawings coordinated, and now you can extract any information that you need, the position of your file cap. Let's try one of these triangular file cap. You can check the coordinates if it matches or not. So let's take the corner of it. Okay, so the coordinates of that corner is 530 530 786 530 786 951 951. That's perfect. 189 874 189 874 476 476. Perfect. So that is how we coordinate our any drawings by using our coordinated grid lines, which is very easy. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you got any comments, please do post below, and I'll come up with next videos. Please submit feedbacks, any comments you have, and I'll try to help you guys out. So thanks for watching.